Vogels produces thoughtfully crafted audio-video mounting solutions that are as beautifully designed as they are functional. Products that carry a device, protect it, and are easy to install. Introducing Motion Mount. Comfortably enjoy your television with Motion Mount by Vogels. The wall bracket that automatically turns your TV in any direction you'd like. And remembers where you were sitting the last time you watched TV. Or how about sitting somewhere else today? The Motion Mount app lets you turn the TV towards you from the comfort of your couch. It's that simple. With C# and XAML developers on staff and a desire for a pixel-perfect experience, Vogel selected the Uno platform. By using the Uno platform, Vogels recreated their TV Mount app on iOS and Android in record time and is currently implementing additional features. And for an open source win, Vogels engineers also contributed code to the Uno platform.